In this video, let's have a look at different settings for the UI level. If we create a project and type in some product details, then build the MSI, once we start the installation, this is how the installer looks like when running with full UI. Basically, all the dialogues and inputs are shown to the user. But what if we want to make it more basic? We can do this directly from Advanced Installer. So navigate to the Install Parameters page and check the Basic User Interface option. This will display only a dialog with a progress bar showing the evolution of the installation and the error messages if any are present. This is used especially for unassigned or automated installations, for example through group policies. If we build a project again and install the MSI, this is how the installer looks like when running with basic UI. You can achieve the same result and a fully silent installation by using Windows installer arguments. So let's open up Command Prompt as an administrator and navigate to the output folder of the MSI. In here we can just run the MSI, and this is the command line for installing an MSI with full UI. To install an MSI with the basic UI, as we previously did with the Advanced Installer, we need to add the /qb option at the end of the command line. To install an MSI in full silent mode, we need to add the /qn at the end of the command line. This will not show anything to the user, nor dialogues nor errors, so it's very important to keep log files of the installation in order to debug them if something goes wrong. For more Windows installer command lines, check out our user guide.